Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product title with SKU in admin order section in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in order section. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see product title. This is our custom title, product SKU. So you can add title according to your requirement. So we are going to display product name or title with the link and with SKU, stock keeping unit. Now you see echo. So scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order section, refresh the page. Now you see custom column, product SKU, and then you see product name or title with SKU. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.